I love it when the doorbell rings, especially when it's the Canada Post guy, because that means parcel, and that means probably a watch. So let's see. Yeah, look at that. It's not even bubble wrap, just a box thrown into a bubble mailer. Cream colored cloth. Ah, yes. And no plastics to deal with. This is beautiful. Very, very classic style, except for that PT time. Well, that's okay. So it's the PD-YS003. And yeah. Stay tuned for a detailed view, and of course loom shot if there is any loom, and strap swaps and wrist rolls. So this is a Portugeiser homage by IWC, and it's not even an homage, it's inspired by, because the Portugeiser has a small second hand, whereas this guy does not. It's got a date at the 6 o'clock position, where the Portugeiser would have their small sub-second. So it's full stainless steel construction with a very nice quality of brushing. The bezel is brushed. Oh, sorry, the bezel is polished and the lugs are polished. We have a signed crown. We have a synthetic sapphire crystal with AR coating, and it's pretty decent. This particular one uses a Miyota 8215, but if you can find them, you might be able to find them with the NH35. These are becoming harder and harder to find. We've got a 41 millimeter case diameter. We've got a thickness of 13 millimeters. We've got a band width or lug width of 20 millimeters. I wonder if it actually says that. We've got quick release spring bars on the supplied leather strap, and the leather is, well, it's still toed leather, but it's still nice. Lug to lug of 47 millimeters, so it's very, very comfortable on the wrist. Weight of 77 grams, so it's very light. There were more than a few days where I actually forgot I was wearing this. 200 meters of claimed water resistance. We've got a screw down crown, screw in solid case back with all the identifying markers. There is no loom on the face at all. So if you're planning on buying this because you want some loom, you're going to be disappointed. The Arabic numerals are applied and they're polished. The Pagani Design logo is printed, and we've got the PT time. Nobody still can say what that really means, but whatever. So there are very, very small indices at the edge of each numeral along the chapter ring. We've got a 6 o'clock date window, which I personally love. This is almost perfect for me, for my watch. And that's, again, if you can find one, if it's a very, very simple design, very easy to read. It's also available, or if you can find it, it's also available in a white dial and a blue dial, but I chose the black because, as you're going to see, it's a strap monster and it looks great on any color strap. Thanks for tuning in. Have yourself a great day.